Hey everyone, welcome back to Heartfelt Growth. Today, we're diving into a topic that every guy has thought about at least once: how to make her miss you. Whether you're in a long-distance relationship, just started dating, or you're looking to reignite the spark, these 17 tips will have her thinking about you constantly. So, let's jump right in. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more tips and tricks just like this one. Let's get started. Number 1. Give her space. One of the most powerful ways to make her miss you is to give her space. It's human nature to want what we can't have all the time. When you give her time to think and miss your presence, it creates a longing. Don't overwhelm her with constant texts or calls. Instead, let her mind wander and wonder what you're up to. This little bit of mystery can make her crave your attention even more. Number 2. Be unpredictable. Predictability can be a relationship killer. Keep things exciting by being a little unpredictable. Don't always be available at her beck and call. It's okay to mix up your routine. Maybe you're busy with a new project, or you're out exploring a new hobby. This keeps her on her toes and wondering what's next. The element of surprise will make her miss the excitement and want more of it. Number 3. Have your own life. Show her that you have your own passions and hobbies outside of the relationship. When she sees you thriving and enjoying life, she'll realize how much she wants to be a part of it. It's attractive when a man has his own goals and interests, whether it's hitting the gym, pursuing a career, or just enjoying your hobbies. When she sees you're content on your own, she'll start missing the time she spends with you. Number 4. Stay off social media. Sometimes, going quiet on social media can make a huge impact. If you're always posting about what you're doing, she knows where you are and what you're up to, and there's no room for mystery. Take a break from posting, and let her wonder what's going on in your life. This can create a sense of intrigue and make her curious about you. Number 5. Send her sweet memories. Every now and then, send her a message or a picture that reminds her of a special moment you two shared. It's a subtle but powerful way of making her reminisce and miss those times. Whether it's a photo from a memorable date or a song that was playing during a special moment, these little reminders can trigger her emotions and make her long for your presence. Number 6. Look your best. Always look your best when she sees you. Whether in person or through photos, when you take care of your appearance, it shows that you value yourself, and she'll value you more too. Plus, when she sees you looking great, she'll miss being close to you and might even start to think about how good you looked the last time she saw you. Number 7. Be a little mysterious. Don't always reveal everything you're doing or thinking. Keep some mystery alive in the relationship. If you're an open book, there's nothing left for her to discover. Instead, be a bit enigmatic. Let her wonder what's going on in your mind or what your next move might be. This makes you intriguing, and she'll miss trying to figure you out. Number 8. Leave her on a high note. Whenever you're together, make sure the last thing she remembers is a positive and uplifting experience. Whether it's a deep conversation, a fun date, or just a sweet goodbye, leave her with good vibes. When the last memory she has of you is a positive one, she'll associate those good feelings with you and miss them when you're not around. Number 9. Compliment her and then withdraw. Give her a genuine compliment, something that shows you're paying attention to the little things. Then, pull back a bit. This mix of attention and distance can be intoxicating. She'll be left thinking about your compliment and wanting more of that positive energy from you. Number 10. Surprise her with thoughtfulness. Occasionally surprise her with a thoughtful gesture or gift. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, just something that shows you were thinking about her. Maybe it's her favorite snack or a book she mentioned wanting to read. These small acts of kindness show you care, and she'll miss the way you make her feel special. Number 11. Be confident and assertive. Women are naturally drawn to confidence. When you know what you want and aren't afraid to go after it, it's incredibly attractive. Whether it's making decisions or taking the lead in planning a date, confidence shows that you're sure of yourself. and that assurance will have her thinking about you long after you're gone. Number 12. Have a signature scent. Choose a signature scent and wear it consistently. Scents are powerful triggers for memory, and smelling your scent even when you're not around can make her miss you. Whether it's a cologne or aftershave, find something that you love and stick with it. It'll become part of your identity, and she'll associate it with you. Number 13. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude. No matter what, positivity is contagious, and when you're always upbeat, it's hard not to miss that energy. No one misses negativity, but they do miss someone who brings light and happiness into their life. So, keep the good vibes going, and she'll be longing for your presence. Number 14. Let her initiate contact. Sometimes, take a step back and let her be the one to reach out first. When she does, she'll realize how much she misses talking to you. This also shows that you're not overly eager, which can be attractive. It's all about balance, showing interest but not being too available. Number 15. Plan the next meetup. When you part ways, plant the seed for the next time you'll see each other. This gives her something to look forward to and miss you until then. Whether it's a casual coffee date or a fun outing, leaving her with anticipation will keep you on her mind. Number 16. Don't over-communicate. It's important not to overdo it with communication. Give her some breathing room. When there's a little distance, she'll start missing those conversations with you. Sometimes, less is more. Let her wonder why you're not texting as much, and she'll be more likely to reach out to you. Number 17. Be the best version of yourself. Work on becoming the best version of yourself. This doesn't just mean physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. When she sees you growing, improving, and living your best life, she'll want to be around you more and more. There's nothing more attractive than a man who is constantly evolving and striving for greatness. And there you have it, 17 powerful ways to make a woman miss you. Try these tips, and watch how she starts longing for your presence. Remember, it's all about balance, showing interest without being too available. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on more advice like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the mystery alive. This script offers a detailed exploration of each tip, ensuring that viewers get a clear and actionable understanding of how to apply these strategies. The emphasis on maintaining a balance between interest and distance keeps the advice practical and effective, while the structured format helps guide the audience smoothly from one point to the next.